Hello, in front of me I've got Honda Jazz. In this video I'll show you how to enable and manage cruise control. In the beginning, take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Firstly, press cruise control button, and now press limit button to switch between cruise control and speed limiter. This is the cruise control button. Now, accelerate to desired speed and press set button. Now you can let the acceleration pedal go. Press rest plus button to increase speed, set minus button to decrease speed, cancel button to pause. To disable cruise control, again press this button. You can also enable steering assist for active cruise control and adjust distance from following car. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.